In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the activity indicator on Snapchat. The activity indicator is a feature that lets your friends know when you are active on the app. Some people may find this feature intrusive or simply want to keep their online activity private. Luckily, Snapchat allows you to disable this indicator with just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Activity Indicator. Once you've found it, tap on it. Now all you have to do next is simply toggle off this switch over here. And now you've successfully disabled the activity indicator on Snapchat. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.